Oh, fuck, dude. It's a good look. Tracking fucked up.
The clouds look like cauliflower. Shit's crazy.
Clock is ticking. Let's make this
I'll
count.
bring flashbangs and a breaching shotgun. Anybody have a mirror? Or a camera?
Do not.
Alright, I'll bring a snake camera instead then. No flashbangs.
We're just reach it old school, bro.
Yeah, I got a health shot too if we need it. You want to start from the bottom or start from the top in library? Which one? Alright. Yeah.
Oh, saw a homie walk. He's like walking the front perimeter.
Yeah, there's always one out here too.
Should be on your right there.
Nah, nobody. No.
I saw him, dude. He went.
What, just now?
No, like as we were crossing over, when I went through the middle patch that's open, he was going.
Yeah.
He was going west.
I don't see him. Cool. Oh my gosh, it's in the fucking basement living room, dude.
So are we going to the side door this way? Like this way?
We're gonna go library
way?
there. Oh, I guess you got him.
You see the dude?
No. Good shit.
Where was he? Did we just we climbed that motherfucker? What?
When you get to the top, crouch if you don't know how to lift yourself. We got a dude right here.
Oh.
Or not, maybe. Alright. Yeah.
Oh shit. Y'all still in the library or what?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Got him.
Did you guys clear upstairs?
Yeah.
Young.
Oh, sick, right in there. Even better.
Got a door
Right.
here. Check this, ready? You ready? What's over here? Yeah.
Computer's back where we came.
We got a door. We got 2 doors, 3 doors. T crossing, and then this guy.
We're on the right of where we just came. This one's gonna be open. I can't remember it, so.
Alright, clear. Just in case he wants to wake up.
Oh.
Wait, where does this door feed into?
That's all we were just in.
Okay.
By library.
We gotta go.
Over here.
Where we headed?
We're clearing the rest of the building, or we're just going to the computer?
Let's clear the rest of the building. Fuck it.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, I'm gonna bust it open. Ready?
Probably better if I did. You got it, Andy.
Oh. Clear. It's like a little thingy.
Clear.
Where does this look over into?
Main atrium, it's pretty exposed. Dude, right in front of the door. Nobody to the right.
Can you shoot through it? Does it work?
You can.
What do you say?
Clear. You can.
Oh shit.
Record.
Fuck it. They don't follow. Oops.
I don't see anything. No. Right. Clear. I don't see anything.
Hey, come follow me.
Good.
Alright, top floor done.
Downstairs?
Yeah. The back stairwell up.
I love when you shoot and they just sound like they're snoring. Great.
Yeah, they just fucking flop over. Oh shit.
shit.
Door. Guy.
He went to sleep. Fuck yeah, bro. Fuck yeah. Right.
I'm just gonna hit it.
Okay. Clear. Yeah. And then anything in here? Okay. Oops. Ah.
That way.
Please, motherfucker.
I'm with you. Door's locked.
Oh, there's another one on the floor. On the floor.
I thought he was dead. Sick shit, dude.
Oops.
Clear. Yeah, we're good.
Which way are we gonna go? This way? Okay.
We go to theater.
Thought I heard him drop. Yeah.
I just double check it.
Alright. Okay. It's the basement? Basement? This one was good, right?
There's a lot. Ready? Clear. Clear.
Point. Door on the front. Empty. Alright, we got this. And it's back.
Clear.
Whoa. This in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lock.
I'm gonna stand directly in front. Go ahead, yeah. I'll stand offset a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, it's clear.
We're good. So that will lounge.
You want me to, I'm gonna open it, you pie it? I could push it. Ready? Oh shit. Fuck. Good?
Clear.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Alright, hide's
Alright.
clear.
Second floor's good. Man. Check it. Downstairs.
This just goes back.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, so good. Here we go. You wanna go east?
We probably
This
take
way.
that back stairwell since it's less exposed. Just work our way through.
Ooh, look at that fancy car.
Oop. Alright, let's go. Clear.
Alright. Dude, I hope they can make chem lights soon. Do they have chem lights or no?
It's unlocked. No, not that I know.
That would
Alright,
be
you ready?
dope. Yup. Okay.
Swinging towards you.
Yup. Hallway here. Yeah, I'm coming from the opposite corner.
I definitely heard footsteps behind that door. I'm flashing it.
Alright.
Or not? Am I tripping?
Stairwell. Up top.
Door's locked.
Yeah.
Yeah, or it leads up to the stairwell. Oh. Probably somebody at the top of this. Clear. There's still, I think, at least 1 or 2 rooms we didn't check in basement, but honestly. Yeah, I'm ready.
Do we get more ammo? Is there any ammo cans? Or is that it?
If you see ammo boxes, you can grab stuff, but otherwise, I don't know.
Fuck.
How much ammo you got left?
Nah, just kidding. I have enough max.
Alright. You're out 1 mag with half and 4 mags that are about full.
How many rounds do they give us? Like 23 or 26 or some shit? Or 30 round mags? 30? Okay, full 30.
Oh, it depends on the gun. I've got 23, you should have 30. Coming in.
Oh.
You played this
do
before?
They What's up?
You played this before?
Yeah, I mean a couple other times. Why?
Alright. Well, I was just making sure.
Oh,
you
this
know we're about to
level?
get swarmed. Yeah.
Oh, I did not play this level. Sorry, no.
Alright, we're about to get swarmed, so just watch the door. You ready? Alright, starting. I'm sometimes I get glitched and like 30 will come through one fucking door, so just watch that.
Oh my gosh. So, yeah. I'm gonna get a spot where I'm like, not in front of the door, but
Still see it. It's perfect.
there you can hear
Outside
him
left. Yep.
coming. You can go fully auto right now. Fuck yeah. Not kill mode. Yeah.
Objective complete. Marking extraction now.
Hey, we're all set.
That was it?
That's it.
Alright, go ahead. Go ahead.
Go into that foyer. There you go.
Be advised, we've spotted an enemy force closing on your current pause. Hold that LZ.
Got my back, right? I got your back here.
ETA,
Hey,
one
come
mic.
follow me.
ETA, 30 seconds.
Hey, come follow me.
GG's.